Is it recording?
What?
Is it recording?
Yep, I think so. Yes, it is recording.
Oh, I'm not looking forward to this one bit.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
One crank. Need to see if the fuel pump's actually working.
Yeah.
So the start motor's working. Don't know if the injectors are working yet though.
No.
Try it again.
Really?
I'm so scared.
Yeah, and me.
Why? What could it do?
Don't know. Probably nothing. If it was going to blow up, it would have already blown up by now.
So normally you can hear the fuel pump running if it's going to.
Yeah, well, give it another go.
We did it!
Oh, smoke!
Uh-oh. Hooray! Except there's a bit of smoke coming from somewhere.
Well done, you little beauty!